I see technology as truly enabling people in factories to take better decisions faster. We think that technology itself isn't the savior. The savior comes from people being able to take better decisions and actions and being more efficient and really empowering and enabling them through the use of technology.
We like to see people succeed with their own endeavors. So we're a bunch of engineers and technologists and entrepreneurs who want to give the same people, the like-minded people, the tools to go do those things. It blew my mind that this huge wealth of data and insights was being used to sell people stuff and not do something tangible in the real world and innovate. So we started a team here in New York City.
Really what I saw was that tremendous amount of time, money, energy, material was being wasted in manufacturing because they didn't have access to the right tools and the right data and the right insights. The true way of solving that actually comes from having a deep understanding of the job to get done and the people that goes into making those products.
There's so many variables and factors at play that go into making that end product. What we're trying to provide is a means of making decisions faster, making better decisions. And if everybody has access to the same transparent source of truth, to the same accessible, usable data, then people can work together, can make decisions together.
We really believe that collaborating with our customers and the existing teams, we can help them bring about a new renaissance of efficiency in manufacturing so that everyone can make more with less.
We added Oden to our manufacturing facility. And what Lake's advantage has always been to be at the forefront of technology, and Oden complements that forefront. The data that we can generate daily or with a click of a button, it's instantaneous, it's available, and we can go back as much time as we want.
The great thing about the product is that we'll never be done. There's always going to be ways of optimizing manufacturing. We're continuously evolving, continuously innovating, and continuously, hungry for feedback and new challenges to expand into. The goal has always been, conceptual. We don't have a number, we don't have vanity targets. It's really just focused on how can we build an important company that really helps manufacturers solve problems. That's really our North Star, and have as large of an impact as we can on the manufacturing industry in achieving those goals. Oden is curious, Oden is passionate, Oden is hardworking.
Oden is continuous improvement and innovation as a service.